Sumikara, although for 71, punta kayo sa Cavite, Manila, because I imagine it for you, Sinenas, good offer, and so much many toys. For that toys, I give you for coming here. The Malina, Saturday, August 25. My birthday is August 11. August 10. Come my birthday August 10 because pag nag-7 ako, makikita niyo ang mami ko. Kaya pumunta kayo pag birthday ko. Diba 5 pa lang ako. Susunod na birthday, malakal uli. Susunod na birthday, uuwi ang mami ko, makikita niyo siya. Kaya February and Thursday, come here. Next week guys, see you too. I love you.